Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nuriffah. I am studying at Telkom University, majoring in Information System Diploma. On this occasion, let me present a case with the title Web-Based Good Data Management Application in Case Study, Investment and Service Integrate. Good management is a thing have to really pay attention. The details, what when the good come in, updating data or other activities, correct data and collection will result. Well, on this slide, I want to tell you what is the waterfall. What do you know about the waterfalls? The waterfall method is one of the classic life cycle in software development. This method describes a fairly systematic and sequential approach to software development. And this is the stage of developing the waterfall method. First, requirement definition. This requirement definition stage analyzes software requirements according to the wishes of the users and understood by developers. In this part is carried out as activities following: A. Observation to the users. B. Interview with the users. Second, system and software. At this stage, the developer designs a system based on the results of the stage. Previous, which model will use it to design system and the softwares? A. Unified Modeling Language or UML. B. Entity Relationship Diagram or ERD. C. Mock-ups. Third, implementation and unit testing. The implementation stage is the stage total system design change into program codes and modules that will later be system that is complete. Fourth, integration and system testing. At the system testing stage, the system is already created will be integrated and in test to test whether the system it has worked fine. Fifth, operation and maintenance. The last stage in operation and maintenance where there is an installation and the system repair process if an error or bug was found and the testing stage. And this is application development tools. First, web and HTML. World Wide Web or WWW or else known as web is one service obtained by computer users connected to the internet. This web provides information for users' computer connected to the internet from just junk information or information which is of no use at until serious information. Of that information is free to the commercial information website or site can be interpreted as collection page that are used to display information. Information state, still or motion pictures, animation, sound, fonts or combination of all that is good which is both static and dynamic form, a series of buildings that are where each other connected by network page or hyperlinks. For the second, database and MySQL. Database is a collection data that are related to one another. All the others stored is an external deposit computer and uses software. Uses software certain to manipulate database is one of its components important in information system because it works as a basic for providing information to the reader. MySQL is an implementation of a relational database management system or RDBMS, which is distributed free of charge. Each user can freely using MySQL, but with limitation of such software should not be made. For the third, PHP, CSS, and XAMPP. PHP or PHP stands for Hypertext Processors is a programming language that is used for build a dynamic website. PHP runs on the server side, so PHP it is also known as a server-side language scripting. It means that in any order to run PHP, there must be safe server. Meanwhile, in a book entitled Practical Web Design with CSS explained that CSS or Cascading Style Sheet is a document that contains rules which is used to separate the contents with layout in web page, which is made CSS introduce a template in the form of a style to be created in permitting writing that could be easier than web page designed. Meanwhile, said the XAMPP is a PHP package based on the open source developed by an open source community, which using XAMPP is no longer necessary confused to do the installation other program because all needs have been provided by XAMPP. For the fourth, CodeIgniter. CodeIgniter is a PHP framework which can help speed things up developer in application development. PHP based compared to writing all program codes from scratch. Framework is a collection of page programs that are structured or organized likeness so that it can be used to help create application for without having to create the code from scratch. Thank you for your attention. If there is a delivery of my presentation that is not comfortable, please forgive me. I will end with Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.